Guys, everyone can learn this technique. You should not miss today's video because in today's video we will tell you such an easy and effective technique. So let's start the technique. If someone grab your collar in this position. Guys, let me tell you that here you want to control the person in front of you and don't want to do too much damage to him, then you should use this technique. If you are in danger from the person in front of you, then you can do any attack and injure him. There are other techniques for that. So now how to do this technique? Step number 1. Grab his elbow from here as you can see in the video and grab his wrist with your other hand. Now here you will twist your body under his arm like this position fast. Now here is his arm is twist. Now he is fully under your control. Now you can also twist his wrist. Guys, now we'll show you this technique from the other side so you can understand better. Yes, grab. Step 1. This. Step 2. Check my stance. Down, round, and lock his arm. Guys, now we'll show you this technique fast motion. Yes, fast. Guys, many people comment that the technique can be like this, it is useless. But we tell you different techniques for every kind of situation, for every kind of person, whether he is your friend or your enemy. In some cases, you can harm him. In some cases, you can control him. So guys, if you want to learn more interesting videos like this, then subscribe our channel and share with your friends and press the bell icon. Thank you.